Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or activate Bluetooth tethering. That is, instead of mobile hotspot, you can also use Bluetooth as well. Okay, so for that, what you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to more connections, and here you will have Bluetooth tethering. Okay, just click on mobile hotspot and tethering here, and click on mobile Bluetooth tethering. Just to turn on this button so that Bluetooth tethering will be activated and you can share your phone's internet connection via Bluetooth. Okay, if you connect other device to your device through Bluetooth, now data can be also shared. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.